Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for choosing Tell Not or Telesis. I love you. Today I am bringing to you a throwback video of me unboxing my Fairywill P11 toothbrush. I am really obsessing at the packaging of this toothbrush. It is super sleek, simple and beautifully packaged. I will give you a review of this toothbrush and my relationship so far, how it's been going for the past few months I've been using it. I actually proposed buying this amazing toothbrush on Amazon Prime Week, but I missed the timeline, so I ended up buying it on Black Friday. So it's another Prime Week on the 21st and 22nd of June 2021. So if you are like having a wish list where you can buy toothbrush, take advantage of this Prime Week and maybe this review will help. Do you know that your brushing actions may actually be the reason why your gum bleeds while you brush your teeth? This is called vigorous brushing. I am once guilty of this action until I learned my lessons. Two reasons why I went for electric toothbrush is: number one, I oftentimes apply a lot of pressure on my gum while brushing, no matter how I try with a contemporary toothbrush. Number two, food particles easily get stuck to the gaps of my teeth, causing me to pick my teeth always, which affects the gum and causes it to bleed. Because I know so many people have these same challenges too, this is why I am unboxing this toothbrush I have been using since January 2021 that not only helped stop my bleeding gum but also improved my overall dental health and hygiene. You know, there's a strong link between the gum disease and mood conditions like stress, anxiety, depression, and so on. You can imagine a situation where I have meat stuck to my teeth and I'm using toothpick to just shook on it to make sure it comes out. It causes so much stress and discomfort. When plaques stay on gum lines too long and isn't removed, it can harden into tartar or calculus, which will increase bleeding. The accumulation of plaque near your gums can also cause gingivitis. Plaques are debris and bacteria that stick to the teeth. This is why I bought this toothbrush, because I feel it will help to remove any debris that gets stuck to my teeth. Now take a look at the packaging of this product. Isn't it simply beautiful and sleek? I just love it, don't you? Tell me what you think about the packaging at the comment section. And the funny thing is that this toothbrush is super affordable. I actually forgot the price, so I will check the price and put it in the description section. So check more details of every other information at the description section to know the price I bought it. It's way more affordable than other products of its caliber, and it really delivers results. Like, I haven't used the other products like the Colgate ones and all that. Those ones are really expensive, but believe me, I'm sure they didn't really provide any much difference. As a matter of fact, I am not paid to make this review. This is basically just based on my opinion and my relationship with this toothbrush. This is the charging park, the USB charging park, and I still love this. Look, it's really travel friendly, and also it is compatible with global voltage, so you don't have to worry if you're going to another country maybe it wouldn't work. It's actually compatible with global voltage. Very smart. There are other factors that can cause bleeding gums, such as dentures. If you don't fit your dentures correctly, it may cause bleeding gum. In some cases, it might indicate more serious conditions such as periodontitis. Periodontitis is actually an advanced form of gingivitis. Leukemia, cancer of the blood. You can actually have some of the symptoms as bleeding gum. Deficiency of vitamin C and vitamin K can actually cause bleeding gum. So you can actually check with your doctor if you are actually taking care of your oral health and your gum is still bleeding. Maybe you have to check it out. One of these may actually be the reason. Now I am unboxing the toothbrush itself. Really, this is really so sleek. It actually looks like eyeglass pouch, like you can just take it, throw it in your bag, and nobody actually knows you're carrying toothbrush. So in the other package of the brush head, I think they have 4 on there, and here they have 2. Oh, I opened it upside down. Never mind, I was still getting used to the toothbrush then. Yeah, we had 2 on here, and I think we had 4 or 6 on the other pack. I'm not sure. I will put details of all the information in the description section down below, so you can read it and find the whole detail about this product in case you want to buy it on Amazon Prime Week. It's energy saving. Trust me, I'm not gonna give you something that will take ages to charge. Like, this is beautiful. Look at that golden ring strip. It's so beautiful. How it works: slide the toothbrush head down onto the handle and make sure it is locked in the correct position. Turn on the toothbrush by pressing the power button. Shift between the 3 modes: clean, soft, and massage by continuously pressing the power button. It's time to power it on. That is the power button, so just press it slightly, not too hard. It's soft. There we go. Look at the brush speed, but then I gotta charge it fast. So now I have put my Fairywill toothbrush on charge. So we're gonna see how long it's gonna take to charge. So look at the light blinking, showing that it is charging. When it is fully charged, it will be steady. I assume it took less than an hour to charge because I left it on charge for an hour. It's fully charged. The light is no longer blinking. What I like most about this toothbrush is that it really goes into the gaps of my teeth and remove all those things that are stuck at the gap of my teeth. In fact, the manufacturers say that it has a high frequency vibration that delivers 62,000 brush movements each cycle, removing plaques effectively, preventing gingivitis and cleaning your teeth and gums deeply. And this is absolutely true. Another thing I like about this toothbrush is that you don't have to worry about charging it frequently because it lasts so long. Since I've started using it, which is within 5 months, I've charged it only twice. It stops every 30 seconds for you to adjust to your brushing position. The toothbrush automatically goes off after 2 minutes, which is the dentist's recommended duration for brushing. So if you are not yet done and it goes off after 2 minutes, you can switch the power on again and continue brushing until you are done. The only downside about this product is that the massage part, among the 3 modes that they talked about, the clean, soft, and massage, I haven't observed the massage happen on my own brush. It just cleans and gives me a soft cleaning. I have tried to operate it into the massage mode. It's not working out for me. So if you bought this product and it gave you the massage mode frequency, please let me know at the comment section how you got it. Lack of clothing cells platelets can also lead to bleeding gums. Therefore, it is always advisable to keep up with your doctor. Here is the manual for every information you need to know about this product. Actually, I didn't really read it. I was super excited. I just opened it, put it in charging, and the next thing I used it before I actually read it. Don't be like me. You don't have to be like me. Just read the manual, right? Anyways, with this review, I don't even think you need the manual because I am actually telling you everything right now. So this is basically it for this product review. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.